guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lola, or welcome back if you're returning. So today's project, I'm gonna decorate my house with a spring theme because spring is around the corner and I'm so excited. So all the stuff that I will use today is all from Dollarama or dollar store. So let's do something today, guys. Okay guys, our first project today is making a wreath. So my plan is to make wreath from this tray that I bought in Dollarama. The price is $4. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna paint it first with Rostalio, the white, linen white. So here I am, guys, removing the price tag and cleaning the surface of the tray because even though you bought your stuff in the store, you never know where it went before and who touched it, so there's always dirt and grimes and you don't want that before your paint job. So the first rule is to clean, including for the stuff you bought in the store and new, because you don't want your paint to stick on the dirt, so clean it. Here I am using my heat gun because guys, waiting for the paint to dry is not fun. So yeah, I like it to dry faster, so heat gun it is. And I'm ready for my second coat. So this is the second coat for the back side of the tray. And is anyone like me, like someone actually asked me like why you need to do the back side perfectly because nobody will see it, and I said, well, I will. I like my piece to be finished, the back side, the front side, it's all important for me. It's like stuff you bought in a store, it's finished. So who's like me? Okay, now we're moving to the front side. I'm gonna do the same 3 coats and it will be beautiful. So now after 3 coats of paint, the front part is dried and I'm gonna give stripes for the design. I'm just using my painter's tape to make the stripes. I'm choosing a color from Country Chic, Sage Advice. For the stripes, I don't really measure. I just eyeballing it, just roll with it, whatever pleasing to my eyes, or it's the same for you, what's pleasing for your eyes. And for the stripes color, I'm using a paint from Country Chic. It's a chalk paint and the color is Sage Advice. I use 3 coats of chalk paint from Country Chic for the stripes, with a heat gun in between because like I said, waiting the paint to dry is not fun. I'm adding more stripes here because like I said, when you create something, it needs to be pleasing to your eyes. We can do whatever, it's your design. You don't have to do the way I do it, but I'm just liking extra stripes, I guess. Once I'm done with the stripes, I'm putting a stencil saying Farmhouse. I got it from Hobby Lobby when my husband went to US. He bought it for me. It's a simple design that I like, and I'm using a black color with a acrylic paint from Art Deco. I got it from Dollarama. For stenciling, I like to use my foam brush. I bought a lot at Michael's. So I'm just dabbing the paint gently and make sure it's not bleed through. But this is a good stencil I bought from Hobby Lobby. It sticks to the surface nicely. You see here I'm doing a couple of coats, and I don't really wait until it's fully dry. I just, when it's still half wet, I take it off the stencil and it looks nice. I'm done with the stenciling. I like the design. It looks so cheerful and so farmhousey. So the next step is I will put the greeneries and flower. I got them from Michael's a few months ago. I don't want to put a lot because I don't want it to look too busy. I just want it to look nice, simple, and springy to put on the wall or a shelf. For the second project today, it's only two projects basically. We're gonna paint this figurine from Dollarama. Get this birds, it's $4 each, and there is no spring without bunnies, right? So these are $2 each. So let's start it. So for painting these animals, I'm going to use two colors, black and white. The black one is from Decor Art, acrylic paint, and then I'm still going to use the chalk pen from Rust-Oleum. Once I'm done with the black paint, I'm painting it white on top of it because I want to distress it in the end and I want the black color to pop. So once I'm done with painting, it's time to distress the piece. So instead of using a sandpaper, I'm just gonna wet distress it. So with a cloth, with a damp cloth, I just rub it and take off some paints from the piece. And it's easy because I'm using chalk paint. I don't really need to rub it hard. The paint will just distress easily. I always love to see the details of the piece once I distress it. I think it gives more characters and it looks older. I really love it. I think it's just beautiful. So I'm done with distressing. Now it's to the next step. The last step is to seal it. For all items we made today, I will put wax finishing wax as a top coat because with chalk paint we need to protect the coat or it will be easily scratched or chipped. So if you want your item or your piece last longer and more protected, so don't forget to put the top coat after. Now let's see the result, guys. Here I'm just showing you the other two wreaths I made off camera. It's in my kitchen, on my wall, and it gives me happiness whenever I see them. So I hope I inspire you today. You can make any designs you love. Okay guys, that's it for the project today. What do you think? So don't be afraid. If you like something from dollar store but you don't like the color, you still can make it with your own style, your own color. Just buy it. I hope I inspire you with that. And if you do the same, kindly tag me in my Instagram at Farmhouse548, okay? Thank you, and don't forget to drop your comment, like, and subscribe. See you in my next project. Ta-da!